Hi, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install HACS in your Home Assistant. For those who don't know, HACS stands for Home Assistant Community Store. It's a powerful third-party add-on that makes it super easy to discover, install, and update custom integrations and front-end plugins without having to manually copy any files. So let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have these three things. First, you're running Home Assistant version 2024.4.1 or newer. Second, you have the terminal add-on installed. If you don't worry, I'll show you how to install it in just a moment. And third, you'll need a GitHub account. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and create it. It's free and only takes a few minutes. Now let's install the terminal add-on. If you already have it installed, you can skip ahead to the next part. Go to Settings, then click on Add-ons. Next, hit the Add Add-on button. In the search bar, type Terminal and click on the add-on that appears in the results. When the add-on page opens, click Install. Once the installation is complete, enable the Show in Sidebar option, and then click Start to launch the add-on. If you try to open the terminal and get an error, it's probably because no password has been set yet. To fix this, go to the Configuration tab, click the menu icon in the top right corner, choose Edit in YAML, and set a password. Then, restart the add-on, and that's it! You're good to go. Now that we have everything ready, we can download HACS. To do that, I'll paste the download link and press Enter. The download will start right away. I'll also leave the link in the video description so you can easily find it. Once the download is complete, we need to restart Home Assistant. Go to Settings, open the menu in the top right corner, and select Restart Home Assistant. Then confirm by clicking Restart Home Assistant again. When Home Assistant restarts, go to Devices and Services and click the Add Integration button at the bottom right. Type HACS in the search bar, then select it from the results. Before continuing, you'll need to acknowledge all the statements and then click Submit. A code will appear. Copy that code and then click the GitHub link shown. The GitHub login page will open. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in. Once you're logged in, click Continue. Paste the code you just copied from Home Assistant and hit Continue again. Next, authorize access by clicking the Authorize HACS button, and that's it. Back in Home Assistant, you'll see that the integration was successfully created. You can rename it or assign it to an area, but I'll leave it as it is and click Skip and Finish. Now you'll see HACS in the sidebar, but the icon might not appear right away. To refresh it, you'll need to clear your browser cache. The easiest way to do that is, on Windows or Linux, press Ctrl-Shift-R or Ctrl-F5. On Mac, press Command-Shift-R. Once the page refreshes, the HACS icon should appear correctly. And that's it. HACS is now ready to use. If we open it, we'll find tons of integrations and front-end plugins that can make Home Assistant even more powerful. I'll be creating more videos soon to show some of the best ones that can take your smart home setup to the next level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want to see more Home Assistant tips, automations, and smart home projects, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.